The guide roller family, GN753, sets entirely new standards. The guide rollers are suited for guiding and deflecting, as well as carrying and supporting small to medium loads. The guide rollers are available in two variants. The outer race of guide roller, GN753, is made of POM plastic. In other words, the balls run directly in the plastic of the outer race. The variant GN753.1 has a special deep groove ball bearing of hardened roller bearing steel. This has permanent lubrication and features a two-sided cover for protection against dirt and dust. The outer race of the ball bearing is overmolded with POM, and the running surface is precision machined. This variant is characterized by a higher load capacity and greater precision. The outer race is available in various types to cover all installation situations. For use on level surfaces or on inclined surfaces, for guiding a rope or on a rod, and for uneven surfaces. 3 mounting options are available: with a hole, a stud with external thread, and a stud with internal thread. Mounting accessories, GN753.2, are available to expand the range of applications and mounting options for the guide rollers. With washers and spacers, guide rollers can be mounted in a compact and stable arrangement with a countersunk screw. Spacers with centering features also allow multiple rollers to be mounted side by side. An eccentric adjustment washer enables fine stepless radial adjustment of the guide roller. The individual variants are available in various sizes. The guide roller family GN753, easy rolling, universal, and durable.